Dear students, good morning. Today we will start addition. Okay, addition of large numbers. While adding numbers, these numbers are called addends, and the answer after addition is called sum. So we will follow the same steps as we do earlier while adding the numbers of 5 or 6 digits. So the steps are, first step is arrange the numbers as per the place value chart, like ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Then second step is add all the digits in each column starting from the ones place, because ones place will never be left vacant. And third step is regroup if required, that is carry forward. So let's start. Our question is to add 2,45,61,386, 39,03,424 and 8,20,26,572. So first we start arranging our numbers. First digit is 6. Ones place is 6. We start filling the number, arranging the digits under ones place. Then 8 is at tens place, 3 at hundred place, 1 at thousand place, 6 at 10,000 place, 5 at lakh place, 4 at 10 lakh place and 2 at crore place. Our second number is 39,03,424. Again we will start filling from ones place, because ones place will never be left vacant. Then second we will fill tens place, again 100 place, then 1000 place, 10,000 place, lakh place and then 10 lakh place. Our next number again we will start from ones place, tens place, 100 place and 1000 place, 10,000 place, lakh place, then 2 at 10 lakh place and 8 at crore place. Now start adding. First we will start from ones place. Here we are having 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 2 12. For 12 is a 2-digit number, so 2 will be written here and 1 is at tens place, so it will be carried forward here. Now again 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 7 17 plus 1 18. So 18 is again a 2-digit number, so 8 will be written here and 1 will be carried forward. Again 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 5 12 and 12 plus 1 carried over here, so 12 plus 1 13. So 13 is again a 2-digit number, so 3 at unit place digit will be written here and tens place digit 1 will be carried forward. Again 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 6 is 10 and 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 is again a 2-digit number, so 1 at unit place digit will be written here and 1 in tens place will be carried forward. Then again 6 plus 0 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 is 1-digit number, no problem, it will be written here. Again 5 plus 9, 5 plus 9 is 14, again it is a 2-digit number, so 14 unit place is 4 will be written here and 1 is in tens place will be carried forward here. Now 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 is again a 2-digit number, so 0 is in unit place will be written here and 1 in tens place will be carried forward here. So 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So 11 will be written here. So this is your final answer.